guys, it's Markai here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying some photo hacks to see if they work. Now a lot of these photo hacks are for Instagram, so in honour of that I'm going to be posting the photo hacks that I try on Instagram. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. My username is HelloMark and I'll also put a link to it in the description below so you guys can follow me. So let's try these photo hacks and see if they work. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload next, which is every Monday and Friday. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this first hack, what they're doing is they're on a plane and wow, they're looking at the window inside the plane. Look at that amazing view out the window. But what they're really doing is looking through an old toilet seat and then taking a photo using the toilet seat as the window. So, I have got a video of a flight from Tokyo to Singapore here, and instead of an old toilet seat, because I don't have an old toilet seat, using this little white cardboard thing. I have no idea what it is, but it's the closest thing I could find. So, let's go. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! So this next hack, you have to make it look like you've lost weight. Now I'm pretty skinny, so if anything I want to gain weight, but let's just see how much I weigh. So I'm getting the scale. 38 kilograms. I know it says grams, but it's actually kilograms. So I'm skinny, but next step to do is to put your scale up against a wall, making it look like that you've lost weight. So let's do that right now. Okay, so here we go. How much do I weigh? One kilogram. Well, that's because I'm so skinny that I only weigh 1 kilogram. So for this next hack, you're trying to look sexy, but it's not working, and then suddenly, boom, you got that. And so what you're doing is basically putting your knees through your shirt to make it look like your breasts and make it look sexier. So let's do that right now. Okay. So this next hack, you've got a couple, they've just gotten back from a date, and when it's really the guy is actually the girl with jeans and shoes stuffed in her hands. Now, I'm going to see if it will work the other way around. So I've got some jeans on, and if I put my hands in these shoes, then let's see what it will look like. So, like this. Okay, so this next hack, you're levitating or floating in the air. So, what it really is shoes on a stick Well, I don't have sticks, but I've got these things, so that'll be close enough. And a blanket. So, let's do this. You bend back as much as you can. Then pick up the shoes. I'm levitating. And then the photo. Okay, so this next hack, you just stick pens in your cheek. Okay. And then you leave it there for a minute. Okay. And now you've got dimples. Okay, so for this hack, we have to pretend that we're in a swimming pool. So I've got a tub of water between those two chairs, and I've got a torch to reflect the water's light. So this last one is where you use your foot as a tripod, I guess. So let's go onto our phone. Got this selfie mode on and self timer on, and then put it on in between here. There we go. So that is it for me trying out those photo hacks to see if they work. I think some of them worked, some of them didn't. I don't think the swimming pool one worked very much because my carpet wasn't entirely blue. Or the blanket that I used wasn't entirely blue. So I don't think that one worked too well, along with the breast one, mainly because I don't have those. But yeah, so anyways, let me know in the comments what other types of videos you'd like me to do on this channel. So, till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.